feel so awkward. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. I just decided to just turn on the camera and just force myself to show up because this is very uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't done this in a long time. I'm not really even used to talking to the camera anymore. I feel like content's so different now with Instagram and TikTok. I'm just used to busting content out real quick and doing voiceovers or not talking at all, just adding music to a video. So getting used to doing YouTube again. It's gonna be fun, but I really miss y'all. I miss doing it. I feel like even though I enjoy doing content, I haven't been as happy as I was before because YouTube was really it. Like YouTube was really the thing for me because it was like I had y'all to talk to, y'all were my friends, like my internet family. Yeah, I miss that. So I'm here and I'm back. I don't even know where to start. I don't know what content to make. I'm not gonna overthink it and I'm just gonna do my thing. And I know some of y'all are gone and some of y'all are still here. For those of you who are, even the ones who aren't, I still love y'all. And thank you for all of the support and all of the love that y'all have given me. A lot of life changes have happened. I'm 33 now. I got my 4-year-old princess, my world, my baby girl. I am divorced now. So I'm single. And I don't think I'm ready to mingle yet. Well, I tried a little bit. It's ghetto out here. I swear I didn't even plan on filming this video. I was testing out my camera lighting to see if I still got it because I don't even know how to work the camera anymore. I didn't even know how to set up my lights. I was just like, let me see how this looks. Yeah, so now I'm here making a YouTube video. Yeah, this feels a little, it feels so strange. I feel a little insecure. I feel stupid, like I don't know how to talk. This isn't even how I talk in real life. Like I'm very talkative. Sometimes you gotta tell me to shut up, but for some reason I'm just so nervous right now speaking to this camera. But I know I'll get back into the groove of things. But I'm excited to see y'all again. How have y'all been? A lot of y'all, well, all of y'all have grown up. I mean, I've been running into y'all. Y'all be like, I've been watching you since I was in high school. And I'm like, thanks for reminding me that I'm getting old. But I love y'all. I want to just, I'm so excited to finally make long form YouTube video content because I love my short form stuff. I love my Instagram stuff. It's cute, it's quick, but I miss community. And I feel like social media is just changing so much for the good and some for the bad. But I feel like it's because community, like, it was such a big thing. It was so important. So that's why I really wanted to go back to YouTube and just see how it is. You know, who knows? Maybe I might not like it anymore. I don't know. It's a different world. I don't even feel like I go here anymore. But I'm back. I hope y'all are happy that I'm back too. I would love to know your opinions. What do y'all like to watch anymore? Like, who knows? I'm gonna still upload the video. It is what it is. I'm trying to get out of my overthinking phase. Comment if you're an overthinker. Because I can overthink myself to sleep. But let me know, what do y'all like to see? What do y'all like to watch? What is interesting to you? Is it more the vlogs? Are you still into beauty? Are you still into reviews, like in-depth reviews? Because like on Instagram and TikTok, like, yeah, you can get a little bit of info about like products you want to use and things you want to try. But YouTube, you know, YouTube, we would break it down. We would get to the nitty-gritty and help you save your money or get a product that's worth it. So are you still into those kind of videos? Do you want to see me and Zoe, mommy and daughter stuff? I feel like I'm just trying to find a middle ground where I'm going to obviously upload content that makes me happy and that I like. But I also want, obviously, to upload content that you like as well. Because let's be real, that's why I'm here. Well, now I'm here. Now I'm back. I don't even know how long it's been. I'm kind of embarrassed. I mean, even if there are some things, videos that you want me to do that might have to, even though it'll be, you know, I got to figure out how to do that. But like if it has to do with like personal life, I have to figure out a way to hit on those things. Because I have had plenty of you DM me about how did I handle and get through divorce? How did I get through postpartum? If you didn't know, I'm not even sure if I mentioned it. I haven't been out here in so long. I had really bad postpartum. I get a lot of messages about like how I lost the weight, dealing with postpartum, or vice versa, or at the same time. How I'm dealing with all of the big changes that have happened in my life today. And even just from my friends, I get a lot of questions about like how am I able to be so strong and handle and maneuver through life now being a mommy who's single and still like hold my head up and do this annoying, stressful, happy, crazy thing called life. I'm down to speak about all those things. I feel like it's due time in my life and where I am in my life, my age and my experience. And I have learned a lot. Oh my goodness, I have learned a lot in the last 4 years that I've probably learned a good portion of my life, which is insane to say. And I just want to, I guess, be there for my viewers who are in the process of going through what I've gone through, have gone through what I've gone through, because I feel like a lot of people don't talk about it, especially on social media, or they don't have that person that they can go to, so that in that moment they might not be feeling like everything's going to be okay, but I'll be that person to let you know, even though it sounds so cliche, it will be okay. Even on the days where it's not okay, and on the days when it doesn't feel okay, it will. I feel like I'm rambling. But wait, do y'all like longer videos now? Because I've noticed that. I've seen a lot of people making like 20-minute videos and stuff like that. So if you like stuff like that, let me know. I'll definitely be down to do that, because I just feel like this is almost like a therapy session for me now, where I just get to talk and release and do things that I enjoy and connect with you all. And I just really miss y'all. Yeah. So I guess this is my little intro video back in the YouTube game. The OG back in the YouTube game. Camera done cut off. I forgot you gotta empty your SD card and charge the camera. We rusty. Also, do y'all even like music on the videos anymore? Do y'all do videos? Well, not do videos. Do you watch videos that just have voiceovers? I mean, I'd prefer to speak to y'all, because this is really therapy for me. I feel like I need to get a glass of wine next time, or some tea, and just have a little chat with y'all, do my makeup. I'm really excited to do this. I swear I did not have any intentions filming this video right now. I have been putting off doing this YouTube video, I don't even know how long. It's kind of embarrassing. Like, if you knew, every time I would set it up and I'm like, I'm about to do this, I'm gonna come back. 1 year later, no video. And this is how I know this is God, because he just put something in me right now to just start talking to y'all. I was just doing a test run. I wanted to see if I had the flow anymore, or if I knew how to speak directly to camera with confidence, which I feel like it's gonna come back soon, but it feels so natural right now. Like, I'm a little anxious, but overall I miss doing this. I've been so quiet for so long, and I'm not a quiet person. If you know me in real life, my friends who know me, people that I've met, they're like, Ray, bro, like, why are you not talking? Like, you got so much to say, so much advice, and I'm not trying to, like, gas myself up or none of that, because we don't do that over here, even though I need to start doing it. But I just have, it's just a lot. It's a lot. Not enough to fit in this video, but definitely more to come. I'm getting low motion though. We ain't crying on here. We ain't doing that. Woo! Woo! I even got grades now. Girl, I can name what each one represents, but we'll get on that later. I love y'all so much. How do y'all, I even like exit out the video? Remember when I was younger, I used to go, DC's. We're not doing that anymore. We're not doing that anymore. It was cute, but I'm gonna just say, until next time, I love you all. And Godspeed now. All right, I'm out of here.